Good morning, everybody. It's Ruthie Rocks and Jimmy Daig. It's good to see everybody. And, I love April because you never know what the weather's going to be like. I think it's going to be 91 in Henderson tomorrow, and then it's going to be in the 60s one day next week. So we're on that roller coaster April ride. Jimmy, how are you doing today?
I had allergies last week and I was out a couple of days, but now I'm back to 100%. I didn't work out yet this morning, but tomorrow morning I'll work out.
Yeah, you sound great. Yesterday you still sounded a little stopped up, but today you're back to Jimmy Daig.
I'm back to me. Yep. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. No problem. Okay. Let's see, where did I put the stats? Let's put those up here. I'm going to hide you for a minute and put okie doke. So we've got 23 days of inventory because this month so far, the first 7 days actually, we're selling 105 homes a day. So if we're selling less homes and we have a little bit more inventory, we have more days of inventory. So 23 days of inventory today. That might change by next week. Probably by mid-month we'll get a better read on it. But anyway, 23 is good. And we listed 48 homes, 465,000 and under, which gives us 542 homes in that price range. And that's 27% of the active single family homes. So that's good. That's really good. And you listed 126 homes yesterday. Yay. That is really good. And we have the investors still buying 46 homes a day, and we are surpassing the $1 million daily sales. We were up to 4.6 per day we were 4.58 last year, but I think it's going to get up to 5 this year. So we shall see. And nothing else remarkable about that today.